we will move on to the next question related to the developmental process. The question is, the living differentiated cells regain the ability of division under certain condition is called. So, when you look into the option, differentiation, de-differentiation, redifferentiation, plasticity. So, differentiation, it is the process of losing the ability of cell division and maturation of the cell to perform a specific function. Hence, differentiation is the process of performing a specific function by the mature cell. De-differentiation. So, during the growth and developmental process, at certain stages, some of the differentiated cells regain the ability to divide. If you recall the secondary growth in plants, so during secondary growth in plants, the formation of interfascicular cambium and cork cambium is due to the process of de-differentiation. So, de-differentiation is regaining the ability by differentiated tissues is called as de-differentiation. Third one is redifferentiation. So, once the de-differentiated tissue produces the new cells, so these new cells in turn undergo one more time maturation or differentiation. This process is called as redifferentiation. So, in the question, the living differentiated cells regain ability of division under certain condition is called. So, since it is the differentiated cells that regain the ability to divide, so the option is B, de-differentiation. So, dear students, we will move on to the next question related to role of growth hormones. The question is, internodal elongation just prior to flowering in rosette plants is called. Options are A, pruning, B, bolting, C, grafting and D, cutting. So, the first option, pruning. So, pruning is the decapitation of shoot apex or removal of the terminal part of the plant. So, when shoot tip are removed or the tips are cut, it helps in growth of lateral branches. To overcome the apical dominance, we can do pruning in plants, which increases the bushy nature of the plant. So, the second option, bolting. So, bolting is nothing but the rapid internodal elongation in rosette plants like radish, cabbage, carrot, etc. Hence, the internodal elongation is nothing but bolting. So, this is due to the role of gibberellic acid. Hence, the correct option for this question is bolting. We will move on to the next question. Respiratory climactic is promoted by. So, the options are A, axins, B, gibberellins, C, abscisic acid and D, ethylene. So, respiratory climactic is increasing the rate of respiration during the ripening of fruits. So, since respiratory climactic is increasing the rate of respiration, we need to find out among these four hormones which hormone promote the ripening process. So, the first option, axin. So, axin is a growth promoting hormone. The major role of this axin is cell division, cell elongation and differentiation. So, it promotes apical dominance. So, gibberellic acid promotes seed germination, internodal elongation called bolting, etc. Abscisic acid is a growth inhibiting hormone which is also referred to as dormin or also called as stress hormone, which promotes seed dormancy or inhibits seed germination. Hence, all these three do not take part in fruit ripening. The only hormone that take part in the fruit ripening process is ethylene. Hence, the right option is ethylene, which we call it as a fruit ripening hormone. We'll move on to the next question. Which of the following is used in brewing industry? The options are axins, gibberellins, cytokinins, ethylene. In brewing industry, that is in the preparation of beer, barley is used. So, in order to hasten the process of germination of barley seeds, the seed germination promoting hormone is essential. Among these hormones, like axin, gibberellins, cytokinins and ethylene. So, axin is not a seed germination promoting hormone. Cytokinin is also not a seed germination promoting hormone. Ethylene is also not a seed germination promoting hormone. Hence, the correct option is gibberellic acids or gibberellins, which promote seed germination generally as well as in the barley, which is used as a raw material in brewing industry. Hence, the correct option is gibberellic acid. We'll move on to the next question. The phenomenon of promotion of flowering in plants by low temperature treatment or exposure is known as. The options are photoperiodism, senescence, anthesis, vernalization. ನೋಡಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ photoperiodism. See, photoperiodism is the phenomenon of the flowering in plants when they are exposed to a definite duration of day length. Hence, the A option is not correct, as it is the phenomenon of promotion of flowering in plants by low temperature. It is not the low temperature that is involved in photoperiodism, it is exposure of the plant to a definite photoperiod. So, when come to B option, senescence. So, senescence is the terminal stage in the life cycle of the plant where it is defined as an irreversible aging process that ultimately results in death of the plant. Hence, B option is also not correct. The C option, anthesis. Anthesis is the phenomenon of opening of flowers. Hence, the third option is also not correct. So, the fourth one, vernalization. So, vernalization is the phenomenon of the low temperature treatment given to the seeds and birds that promote flowering is called as vernalization. Hence, the correct option for this question is vernalization. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಫಿಸಿಯಾಲಜಿ ಪಠ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ 3 ಪಠ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಮೊದಲನೇದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್, ಎರಡನೇದು ಮಿನರಲ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನ್, ಮೂರನೇದು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಚರ್ಚಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೂಚಿಸಿರುವ NCERT ಪಠ್ಯಪುಸ್ತಕವನ್ನು ದೀರ್ಘವಾಗಿ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈ NCERT ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಿನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೀಡಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ NCERT ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪ್ಲರರ್, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸು ಹಾಗೂ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ NCERT ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಹಾಗೂ NCERT ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪ್ಲರರ್ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳನ್ನು ಈ PCMB 4 ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ದೀರ್ಘವಾಗಿ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ನಿರಂತರ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿ ಇ ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ರ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಬರೋದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಂಶಯವಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಅಧ್ಯಯನವನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಿ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸಿಂದ ಅಧ್ಯಯನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಫಿಸಿಯಾಲಜಿ ಪಠ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ ಚರ್ಚಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ದಿವಾಕರ ಎಸ್ ಕೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.